Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to create a link for sharing photos. Creating a link to share photos makes it easy to send pictures to friends, family, or coworkers without sending large files directly. Instead of attaching photos one by one, you can upload them and share a single link. And this guide will show you how to create photo sharing link using your mobile phone. To begin, unlock your Android phone and open the Google Photos app. Make sure you are signed in to your Google account. Tap the Photos tab to view your images. Find the photo you want to share. Tap and hold the photo to select it. Select additional photos if you want to share multiple images. Tap the share icon at the bottom of the screen. Choose Create Link from the sharing options. Wait for the app to generate a shareable link. Tap Copy Link once, then the link is created. Open the messaging or social media app where you want to send the link. Paste the copied link into the message field. Send the message to the person you want to share the photos with. Anyone with the link can now view the shared photos. Tip: you can remove access later by opening the shared link settings and Google Photos and turning off link sharing. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.